Hello and welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 25 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are with the servant, that means common phrases, common conversations we do with the servant. Servant is knocker. So common sentences in those contexts. With the doctor, that means common conversations and all we do with the doctor. General topics, that means samanya prasang, normal topics, normal day routine talks. Proverbs are phrases, idioms, those proverbs, sayings of our elderly people. So we'll learn few of them. Proverbs in Hindi we call it as lokoktiyan. So let us start with the first one, that is few conversations, few phrases we use in the context while talking with the servant. Servant is knocker. बाजार से सब्जी ले आओ. That means get some vegetables from the market. बाजार से सब्जी ले आओ. बाजार is market. Sabji, that means vegetables. Le आओ, that is get some. So we always say these kind of sentences, that get some vegetables from the market. बाजार से सब्जी ले आओ. बाजार is market. Sabji, vegetables. Le आओ, that means get some. So get some vegetables from the market. Are the clothes back from the laundry? कपड़े धुलकर आ गए क्या? So you often ask this question, that whether the clothes have come back after a wash from the laundry. Are the clothes back from the laundry? Clothes are kapde. Dhulkar, that means after a wash. Have come back. आ गए क्या? From the laundry. Few sentences we use while talking with a doctor, with conversation with a doctor. I have some temperature, that means a fever, and also have cough. Temperature or fever we call it as bukhar. I have some temperature or fever and also have cough. मुझे बुखार है, that means fever. खांसी भी आती है, that means also cough. You often say to doctor that I have the temperature, that means बुखार, and cough, that means खांसी. मुझे बुखार है, बुखार is fever, खांसी is cough. आती है, that means it comes, I have it. So मुझे बुखार है, खांसी भी आती है. यह दवा दिन में कितनी बार लेनी है? How many times a day should I take this medicine? That means you often ask your doctor that how many times I have to take this dose, how many times I have to take this medicine. यह दवा दिन में कितनी बार लेनी है? आपको हर महीने अपने वज़न का रिकॉर्ड रखना चाहिए. डॉक्टर mostly says this statement that you should keep a monthly record of your weight. Sometimes when your weight is going down or it is going up with a fast pace, so doctor usually say that keep a record of your weight every month. हर महीने, that means monthly. वजन, that means weight. Record, that means keep a check. रखना चाहिए, that means you should. You should keep a monthly record of your weight. आपको हर महीने अपने वज़न का रिकॉर्ड रखना चाहिए. You should keep a monthly record of your weight. हरी सब्जी आपको अधिक लेनी चाहिए. You should eat lots of green vegetables. Green vegetables is हरी सब्जी. Vegetable sabji, green, हरी. अधिक, that means lots of. लेनी चाहिए, that means you should. eat. So you should eat lots of green vegetables. हरी सब्जी आपको अधिक लेनी चाहिए. This is a free dispensary or medical care is free in this hospital. That means we do not charge here from the patient. यहाँ patient से पैसे नहीं लिए जाते. Patient, so पैसे, that means money, नहीं लिए जाते. That means we don't take. This is a free dispensary or medical care is free in this hospital. एक्सरे के लिए किधर जाना होगा? Where should or does one go for X-ray? Where is X-ray department? X-ray, किधर जाना होगा? That means where should one go? जाना is go. So where should one go for X-ray? X-ray के लिए किधर जाना होगा? सामान्य प्रश्न, that is general topics we use in our day-to-day situations. उसके काम से मैं खुश नहीं था. His work was quite disappointing. You use this kind of statement that his work was not nice. His work was quite disappointing. उसके काम से मैं खुश नहीं था. Disappointing is not feeling good. His work, that means काम. His work was quite disappointing. उसके काम से मैं खुश नहीं था. I'll be glad to get rid of him. उससे पीछा छुड़ाकर मैं प्रसन्न होऊंगा. Get rid, that means पीछा छुड़ाकर. प्रसन्न, that means glad. I'll be glad to get rid of him. उससे पीछा छुड़ाकर मैं प्रसन्न होऊंगा. I'll be glad to get rid of him. उससे पीछा छुड़ाकर मैं प्रसन्न होऊंगा. I'll be glad to get rid of him. उसकी शक्ल उसकी माँ से मिलती है. He resembles his mother. Mother is माँ. शक्ल, that means face. मिलती है, that means he resembles. We usually say, when we watch somebody, we usually say that he resembles his mother. That means he has a similarity with his mother. He resembles his mother. उसकी शक्ल, that means face, उसकी माँ से मिलती है. उसकी शक्ल उसकी माँ से मिलती है. वह रविवार को चर्च जाती है. She goes to church on Sunday. Sunday is रविवार. Church we know where Christians go for worship. जाती है, that means she goes. She goes to church on Sunday. वह रविवार को चर्च जाती है. मैंने पक्का इरादा किया है कि मैं जाऊंगा. I am determined to go. पक्का इरादा, that means determined. I am determined that I will go. पक्का इरादा is determination. मैं जाऊंगा, that means I have determined that I will go. I have made up my mind to send him. मैंने पक्का इरादा किया है कि वह जाएगा. Made up my mind, that is again determination. पक्का इरादा किया है. I have decided, made up my mind that I will send him. कि वह जाएगा. क्या मैं आपसे पेन उधार ले सकता हूँ? Can I borrow a pen from you? क्या मैं आपसे पेन उधार ले सकता हूँ? उधार is borrow. Pen you know. So can I borrow a pen from you? क्या मैं आपसे पेन उधार ले सकता हूँ? तुम कब सोते हो? When do you go to bed? Going to bed is when do you go for sleep. सोते हो, that means sleeping. So कब, that means when. When do you go to bed, that means तुम कब सोते हो. हम और ज़्यादा सूचना प्राप्त करेंगे. We'll collect or get or gather more information. Any kind of प्राप्त करेंगे, maybe in we'll gather or we'll collect or we'll get information, that means सूचना. और ज़्यादा, that means more. We'll collect more information. We'll collect or get or gather more information. This keyboard is not functioning well. ये कीबोर्ड ठीक से काम नहीं करती है. This keyboard is not functioning well. ये कीबोर्ड ठीक से काम नहीं करती है. This keyboard is not functioning well. ठीक से काम ना करना, that means not functioning well. Keyboard, you know, with computers we use keyboard. ठीक से काम नहीं करती, that means it's not functioning well. ये कीबोर्ड ठीक से काम नहीं करती है. Few more sentences that we use in day-to-day routine. We will eat fish or chicken tomorrow. कल हम खाने में मछली और या फिर चिकन खाएंगे. We will eat. That means we'll have it. Fish, that means machli. Chicken, you know, chicken is hence chicken. कल हम खाने में मछली और चिकन या फिर चिकन खाएंगे. खाएंगे is we will eat. कल, that means tomorrow. So we will eat fish or chicken tomorrow. कल हम खाने में मछली या चिकन खाएंगे. वह हमेशा अपनी बात पर कायम रहेगा. He will always honor his word. Always, हमेशा बात पर कायम रहेगा, that means honor his word. He will not go against his word once he has committed. He will always honor his words. वह हमेशा अपनी बात पर कायम रहेगा. तुमने तो कमाल कर दिया. You have done marvels. That means tremendous job you have done. कमाल is tremendous job, marvelous job. So तुमने तो कमाल कर दिया. You have done wonders. You have done marvels. You have done fabulous work. That means तुमने तो कमाल कर दिया. दिल्ली और मुंबई दोनों बड़े शहर हैं. Both Delhi and Mumbai are big cities. Delhi is Delhi. Mumbai, you know, दोनों बड़े शहर हैं. That means they are both big cities. Both Delhi and Mumbai are big cities. दिल्ली और मुंबई दोनों बड़े शहर हैं. Now we'll study few proverbs. Proverbs are old sayings, idioms we use given by our elders. Let bygones be bygones. Take care in future. जो हुआ सो हुआ, आगे ध्यान रखिए. Let bygones be bygones. Take care in future. Bygones be bygones is जो हुआ सो हुआ. That means what already happened has happened, it's okay, but take care in future. So आगे ध्यान रखिए. Next one is as you sow, so shall you reap. That means जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. That means whatever you will do, you will get that only. If you do good deeds, you will get that thing only. And if you will do bad things, you will get that thing only. So जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. In English we have as you sow, so shall you reap. And Hindi we say जैसी करनी. करनी means whatever you do. जैसी मतलब as you do. वैसी भरनी, that means so shall you reap. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. आप भला तो जग भला. That means to the good the world appears good. That means if you are good yourself, the whole world will appear good to you. Aap bhala, that means to the good, the world appears good. The whole world looks good to you. Aap bhala, that means if your bhala is good, jag is world, bhala, it appears good. So to the good, the world appears good. Aap bhala, to jag bhala. काया को दुख दिए बिना कोई काम नहीं सुधरता. That kaya is your body. If you don't give pains to your body, you will not get any gain. No pain, no gain. If you will give little pain to your body, you can have that pain, you will get the gain. काया को दुख दिए बिना कोई काम नहीं सुधरता. So no work will be done, no gains will be there until and unless your body will exert and it will feel the pain. So no pain, no gain. काया को दुख दिए बिना कोई काम नहीं सुधरता. खरबूजे को देखकर खरबूजा रंग बदलता है. This is a common proverb in Hindi. Society molds man. That means whatever we see in our society, in our environment, it always have an effect on us. खरबूजे को देखकर खरबूजा रंग बदलता है. मतलब whatever we see to other people, whatever they are doing, we always try to follow that. So whatever society does, we always try to follow it. Society molds man. खरबूजे को देखकर खरबूजा रंग बदलता है. Where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. Where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. That means way, that means राह. Wherever there is any, you want to do it, you will find the way. So where there is a will, you have determination that I will do it. If still you have problems, then also you will find the way that how will I do it. जहाँ चाह, that means you want to do it, वहाँ राह, you will get the way. Ra is way, चाह if you desire. So where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. That means a carpenter who does not know, who is not talented, who is not capable, he quarrels with his tools. Tools is with his equipments. He quarrels because he thinks that tools are not perfect. So in Hindi we have Naach na jane angan tera. Naach na is, if you don't know how to dance, you will say that the ground or the place, it's not right. It has a problem. So you'll say that it is not right. Naach na jane angan tera. A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. मुख में राम बगल में छुरी. That means you always pray God, always say Ram or any God's name in your mouth, but by deeds and by heart you are very bad. A honey tongue, a heart of gold. That means tongue you have of the honey. You speak very good. You show that you are a very nice person. Keep on following religion and all good deeds. But inside your heart, you are very bad. Mukh mein Ram, bagal mein churi. A honey tongue, a heart of gold. That means by tongue you show that you are very nice, but you have a bad heart. A heart of gold. Mukh mein Ram, bagal mein churi. A friend in need is a friend indeed. मित्र वही जो मुसीबत में काम आए. That means a friend is that, a friend who is in need, it's your friend indeed. That means who only in bad times we can test our friends, we can check our friends. The friend who will help you in your bad times, he's your best friend. So mitra, that means friend. Musibat, that means in need, in bad times. Mein kaam aaye, That means who helps you in your bad times. He is your friend, best friend. A friend in need is a friend indeed. मित्र वही जो मुसीबत में काम आए. So that is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.